You are watching a video right now. If the word yawn keeps appearing, some of you will already feel your jaw loosening. You did not decide to do that. Your brain is running a program older than language. Reading the word alone can trigger the reflex. Hearing it can too. And watching someone else do it is nearly impossible to resist. But here is the strange part. Contagious yawning has almost nothing to do with being tired. In a controlled experiment, researchers had subjects breathe pure oxygen and air enriched with carbon dioxide. Neither changed how often they yawned. The oxygen debt theory, the boredom theory, the sleepiness theory, none of them survived scrutiny. So, what is your brain actually responding to? The first clue came from a specific population of cells called mirror neurons. These neurons fire both when you perform an action and when you watch someone else perform it. They are the brain's way of simulating another person's experience in real time. When you see someone yawn, your mirror neuron system does not merely observe the movement. It rehearses it. Your promoter cortex activates as if you were the one yawning. But mirror neurons alone could not explain a pattern that researchers kept noticing. People who scored higher on tests of self-awareness and mental state attribution were significantly more likely to catch a yawn. Those with lower scores often resisted it. The reflex seemed to be tuned by how much you could model the inner life of the person in front of you. A study of adults in natural social settings confirmed something even more specific. Contagious yawning was strongest between close family members, weaker among friends, and weakest between strangers. The closer the emotional bond, the more powerful the contagion. The hidden mechanism behind all of this is not about sleep or oxygen. It is about synchronization. When someone in your group yawns, your brain interprets that signal as a cue to recalibrate. Your body mirrors the behavior to align your level of alertness with the people around you. It is an ancient coordination system. If one person's attention shifted, the yawn spread, and the entire group adjusted together. You are not catching sleepiness. You are catching a state of mind. This reflex reaches far beyond humans. Chimpanzees catch yawns from members of their own group, but resist yawning when they see a stranger chimpanzee do the same thing. The line between us and them is drawn by an involuntary jaw movement. Even domesticated dogs will catch yawns from their human owners, but not from unfamiliar people. The reflex seems to mark the boundary of who your brain counts as one of us. The next time you feel your jaw tighten after watching someone yawn, consider what that moment contains. Your brain, without your permission, reached across the space between you and another person and tried to match their state. That tiny involuntary act is a trace of a time when survival depended on never being out of step with the people beside you. You are built to resonate with others, even when you are not trying.